crazy asshole. Fucking crazy asshole. Fucking crazy asshole.
help you guys? I heard something about the orange bike.
Yeah. So are you the driver?
No, I'm the owner.
Do you have your information? I need your driver's license. Yeah.
What do you need my driver's license for? I wasn't driving the bike.
You're the owner.
Towing it for what just cause?
Because.
Because?
It's been driven.
No, it hasn't.
It's been driven.
How do you know? Did you see it on the road?
The engine's hot.
So that means it was driven on the road?
Yes, sir.
How do you know that?
I've got orders to do it.
But you don't have visual proof that it was on the road, which is illegal. It doesn't cause just cause.
Okay.
If this bike gets towed, you guys will be getting sued and I'll be going to court.
That's fine.
And I have this all on camera.
That's fine.
You have no legit right. You didn't see this bike on the road.
Okay. I don't want him to. Do not take a picture of me.
I have a right to.
Do not take a picture.
I have a right. It's my legal right.
Actually, you have to have somebody's authorization.
No, you don't, because you're working for the city right now.
It doesn't matter.
Right now, you're employed by the city. Anyone that's employed by a city and paid by taxpayers' rights, we have the right to videotape.
Okay.
What I'm saying is you don't have a right to tow this bike. You didn't see it on the road. You have no visual proof. You don't have a right. I could have been sitting here idling it for all you know. And so just because I idled my bike in a parking lot, that gives you legal rights to tow it? What I'm saying is because I idled my bike in a parking lot, that gives you legal rights to tow it. Is that what you're telling me? You have a right to take my possessions without just cause. If you don't show me the law that states that you have the legal right to take this bike, you're not touching this bike. I need the law shown to me of what law I broke that gives you the just cause to take this bike.
What happened there?
Huh? That happened 3 weeks ago. And I'm not kidding. And the news is on their way. So I'll be giving this to them and my lawyer, Officer Conrad, is it? I guess in the Bright case, I'll get a new bike out of this whole ordeal if you do take it. Oh, I know so. You guys didn't learn your lesson last year when you guys got sued how many times? Yep, several cases and people won. Don't waste your time. You're not taking my bike. You're not taking my bike. It's my personal property. If you touch it, I'll press charges.
You're taking my bike.
If you're giving him permission to touch my personal property without my permission,
Go do it.
sir, he's breaking the law. He's touching my personal property. You were sworn to uphold the justice of the law and the constitutional rights. You took an oath to uphold the constitutional rights, and you're going to let him touch my personal property without my permission, without just cause? Without any reasoning, you're just taking my bike because my motor's warm. Because my motor's warm? But for what reason? You have to give me a reason. You can't just... This is theft. This is theft.
It was operating on a highway.
How do you know? Did you see this bike on a highway?
Have you been drinking?
No. Did you see this bike on a highway, sir?
Yes, you've been drinking.
Did you see this bike on a highway, I'm asking? Did you personally see this bike on a highway? Did any officer of the law see this bike on the road at all? I would like to know. I have the right to know. It works perfectly. All lights work. It's not illegal for the lens cover to be broken. I get a view of your name here so I can use this in court for the illegal seizure of my bike. You have no legal rights. You've not shown me any paperwork or shown me any laws that I broke other than my motor's warm. That's not just cause. You guys both know that this is illegal.
I haven't been told by the LP yet. Alright. Oh, no. I don't.
Sir, I've asked several times for the reasoning of why my bike's being towed.